Mistake number 8. Let us look at the mistake number 8, where word of mouth marketing is taken for granted. Yes, we cannot deny that word of mouth marketing is one of the most powerful marketing tools for the hospitality industry, and it works as per the grace of God if we do not implement any strategy. Hello, my name is Prashant Kumar, a hospitality management consultant, sales strategist, and author of the book Check In with Every Check-In. I help independent hoteliers scale their business, boost profits, boost ratings, and build a better performing team. Taking word of mouth marketing for granted is like sowing a seed of your most favorite fruits. Not taking care of that seed, just relying on the nature and expecting fruits to come as desired. What will happen in the season? Fruits may come, may not come, and even if they come, quality and quantity of those fruits may be or may not be as desired. Now think of a scenario where after sowing that same seed, you start nurturing scientifically and creating plan and following them consistently. What do you think? In which scenario chances of getting desired result are higher? In case of the fruits, you won't lose much as you can afford and buy from the market. But in the hospitality business, once days are gone, you cannot rewind the clock and go back and make profits for that day. Days gone means profits lost. Same thing happened here. When it comes to word of mouth marketing, to get desired results, you need to create a strategy for that and implement a system so it's followed consistently. In my upcoming videos of this series, I will be talking about the other mistakes made by the independent hoteliers because of which they fail in managing their properties, making profits, as well as they lose their team members. If you want me or my team to help you to create customized marketing strategy for your hotel, call on the number displayed on the screen so I can talk to you, understand your other challenges and help you with it so your profit increases. Bye for now.